Hey friends, it's Randy Dawn and a marathon coach, and you'll never guess what coach we're in.
Feels like we're home.
It's like an old friend.
It is like an old friend, a great old friend.
An old friend with a facelift.
Yes.
Of sorts.
Yes.
This is Coach 1201, a quad slide, back on the market, not to be passed over. And I'm going to show you why. You're going to come with me. I'm going to show you how wonderful this coach is.
Yeah, and the improvements have really brought it to a different level.
Oh, yeah.
And, Dawn and I were able to stay in this coach for a while last year. Mm-hmm. And we since then have commented so many times of...
I miss 1201.
Yeah, she misses the snack cupboard.
Oh.
There's a big snack cupboard. But the storage in this quad slide is amazing. We hear that a lot with the quad slides, that not enough storage. But this one has a lot of storage. So we'll just kind of give you a refreshing look at this coach. This coach is located in Florida right now at the San Antonio location. Mm-hmm. We have it on consignment. So if you are interested in it's 2012 quad slide, it's Coach 1201, 97,000 miles on it.
Right.
Great paint job. It was one owner, then a second owner just for a short time. We've driven this coach all over the place. We've stayed in it. It functions very well. Along with all the storage, the mid bath works really, really well for two people. So we'll take a look. And if you're interested in the coach, feel free to call Dawn or I, or any other marathon sales consultants that you've worked with before. So feel free to give us a call and keep watching Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach.
Come with me. Okay, friends, we're going to start off with just the most wonderful transformation. Now, before, this coach had a lighter camel carpet in it that definitely had seen better days. And the coach sold months ago, and the owners at that point put in this beautiful, beautiful wood floor. Marathon put this floor in. They did a fantastic job. It looks beautiful. So this is just a view from the cockpit looking into the salon and the kitchen area. And I'm going to take you through with a little more detail. So let's take a look. Now we're standing over here in front of the dinette, and I just want to point out how beautiful the wood floor is also on the pedestal that the dinette sits on. Everything matches flawlessly, and it's done professionally. It's absolutely beautiful. This is just my opinion from moving from coach to coach. I have definitely have my favorites, which I know aren't everyone's favorites, but things that I appreciate. Like when I open up this cupboard here, and it's one big cupboard, we all know how much space we need. So you have your trash bin, and you have so much more space even behind it. It's one solid cupboard, which for me is fabulous. I love that. Now, Randy mentioned earlier Dawn's snack cupboard, which is this beautiful cupboard here. That is a snack cupboard. It's one shelf, it's deep, and there's plenty of space. Now, you can keep whatever you want in there, but I am a chip freak, and my chips fit so nicely in there. I was loving it. Here's another option that we're loving. The two pull-out pantries next to the refrigerator may seem like, oh, they're just pantries, but I want you to look at how deep and tall this one is here. You have bottles of cooking oil or wine or any tall bottle, even laundry soap fits perfectly. There's no laying it down. There's one on this bottom, and then also on this top is also quite tall. So I wanted to point that out as well. Not only do you have two slide out pantries next to the refrigerator, you have two slide out pantries here next to the first little stall area with the toilet and sink for your bathroom. So I just wanted to show you exactly how much storage you're getting. I feel like sometimes this gets overlooked. They see a cabinet and go, oh, pantry. This is wonderful. If you're traveling and you need to load up on food and supplies, this coach is going to treat you right. So we're going to go back to the dinette and just take another look. Again, these drawers are deep. They are the full front and back. There's no bump up in the middle so that it cuts your drawer in half. You only get half the depth. This is a very deep drawer, and you get 2 of them. So as far as space goes, they're so wonderful to have. And now just a reminder for the mid-bath, the way it's laid out, toilet and sink to the right, which is on the driver's side. And then as we slowly zip around, you're gonna see this larger vanity, again, totally open underneath. Now I know we have some supplies under there, but totally open. And of course, all of the shelves behind the mirror, a larger vanity, and then the shower here. So hey, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on Coach 1201. I'm ready. I would need the right person to have this coach because of course it's one of my favorites.
Yeah.
But don't let it pass you by if you're looking for a quad.
Yeah, it's a great coach at a great price. So
Yeah.
feel free to reach out and let us know. And keep watching Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach.